flaky skin. It's something that almost all of us face at some point. But what if I told you the solution isn't just a cream, but also in your kitchen, your water cup, and a simple natural oil blend? Today I'll show you how to tackle dry skin inside and out. Dry skin happens for many reasons. Cold winds, long hot showers, and harsh soaps and shampoos, and even sitting too long in air-conditioned rooms. But sometimes it's not the environment, what we eat and drink that dries us out. Nature gives us the best moisturizers. Oils like almond, coconut, olive, and saffron are full of nutrients that soften, repair, and restore your skin's natural glow. To make a nourishing body oil, combine 3 tablespoons of almond oil, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, few drops of saffron oil for radiance, few drops of vitamin E oil. Shake well and your oil is ready. Apply on slightly damp skin after you shower. It seals in moisture and leaves your skin smooth all day. Here's something many people don't do. The way you drink water can also change your skin. Instead of gulping down cold water, Ayurveda suggests sipping warm or room temperature water slowly. For dry skin, try this simple recipe. In 1 liter of water, add half teaspoon of fennel seeds, a small piece of dry ginger, and a half teaspoon of licorice powder. Boil, reduce to about 3/4 liter, and sip throughout the day. This herbal water balances dry skin, supports hydration, and nourishes your skin from within. Food is medicine for your skin. Add omega-rich foods like walnuts, flax seeds, and avocados. Includes vitamin C-rich fruits like kiwi, oranges, and fresh amla. Eat hydrating fruits like cucumber and watermelon. And here's a powerful Ayurvedic secret: ghee. Add a teaspoon of ghee to your meals, just like rice, rotis, and soups. Stir a spoon into a warm milk at night for deeper nourishment. Even thin layer of ghee applied on your lips and on dry patches can work as a natural moisturizer. In Ayurveda, ghee is called rasayana, a regenerator, because it deeply nourishes tissues, strengthens digestion, and gives a long-lasting glowing skin. So glowing skin isn't just about what you apply. It's also about how you eat, drink, and care for yourself daily. Try this body oil. Sip your water the Ayurvedic way. Add ghee and skin-friendly foods to your diet. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wellness tips. Thank you for watching.